There is a question which goes on to say OA, OB, OC, OD are rays. Angle AOB equals angle COD, which is 100 degrees, and BOC is something and AOD is something. Now, is it true that AOC and BOD happen to be straight lines? We have to prove it. If we can prove it that they are straight lines, if there is a 180 degree angle for AOC and BOD, then they can be said to be straight lines. Now let me check if anything is of that kind is possible. Angle AOB and COD are 100 degrees, and you are supposed to construct the diagram out of this problem. Therefore, now I would say O is the center and AOB, so AOB will be this for me, OB OC, and COD is this. Now I am being asked for AOD, therefore obviously this should be D and this should be C. Now I am told that AOB equals COD, that is only vertically opposite angles can be equal, therefore I construct it this way, and the rest is given here. BOC is 82, now this is 82, and AOD is 78. Now this cannot be D because D is AOD is not 82, it is 78, so it should be somewhere here. The line denoting D cannot be here, it should be somewhere here, and there is a 4 degree difference between AOD and something here. There is something missing here, and therefore we can contend that these cannot be AOC and BOD cannot be straight lines. As you can see, if I need it to be straight, I have to have a vertically opposite angle on the other side, and also you can see it has been tweaked. The line has been tweaked to make an angle which is 4 degrees short, and so here AOC will be equal to AOB and BOC, which is 182 degrees, and I need 180 to make it a line, and BOD, as you can see, is comprised of BOC is 82 and COD is 100. Once again it is coming 2, and again it is not 180, not equal to 180, and therefore they cannot be straight lines. They are not straight lines.